Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple salad. It's tomato, croutons, cucumber and broccoli salad. I got the idea from a cookbook and I just tweaked it the way I want it, and I will be able to share it with you. The ingredients for this recipe will be broccoli, tomatoes, cucumber and croutons. So let's just get right into it. I am cutting my vegetables. In this time I'm starting with cucumbers. I'm using 2 cucumbers and I'm gonna dice it. The information for this recipe will be found in the description box down below, so you can check it out. And make sure that you clean your vegetables before you make the salad. So I have washed my broccoli and tomatoes and cucumber. I've peeled it too, so you can see it. Then I will cut the tomatoes and I will dice it. But I'm now emptying the tomato because I don't want the juice to be into the salad. If you don't want the tomato juice in the salad, then you can do like me and remove it. Once I'm done dicing the tomatoes, I'm putting it into the bowl also. And then I'll move on with the broccoli. So for the broccoli, I will not use the whole head of broccoli because I will be able to dice it also. So I'm just using half of the head of the broccoli. If you like broccoli, you can use the whole head depending on how much you want and the size of your family. So now I'm dicing it and making sure everything is just small. And once I'm done, I will toss everything together so you can see. It already looks delicious actually. So I will mix everything together. Once I'm done mixing everything, I will now add the croutons. So if you do not have croutons, you can use grilled bread. So you can make your bread a little harder, because if it's very soft, then the bread will be very soggy. And I will now add rice vinegar. If you do not have rice vinegar, you can always use apple cider vinegar, or white vinegar will also work for this recipe. So I will add a 2 tablespoon. After adding the vinegar, I will also add olive oil and drizzle it into the salad. And I will add salt to taste and pepper. Then I will also sprinkle some parsley on top of it. However much you have, if you have fresh parsley, that will be good too. And I will mix everything together to make sure everything is incorporated in. This salad is very quick and simple if you're looking for something to munch on. And that's a different change too. And I hope you try it and let me know in the description box down below how you found it. You can see how delicious the salad looks. It's very yummy. And I hope you try it and let me know. Thank you for watching. If you like the contents of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Don't also forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.